Japan is on the verge of running out of its most popular beer, Asahi Super Dry. On the 29th of September, a massive ransomware attack paralyzed Asahi Group. 30 factories offline, orders frozen, deliveries stopped. The taps, quite literally, are dry. This isn't just a beer shortage, it's a billion-dollar cyber disaster. Each week offline could cost Asahi nearly $200 million. And the longer it drags, the deeper the damage. Convenience stores and bars across Tokyo are already reporting empty shelves. Panic buying has begun. 6.7 million bottles a day, gone overnight. Experts say the attack mirrors playbooks from groups like Lockbit or Black Cat. Phishing emails, stolen credentials, then total shutdown of both IT and factory systems. The real lesson? Manufacturing giants are sitting ducks when IT and operational tech share the same networks. Flat systems mean one breach, shuts down everything. So is this the Maersk moment for Japan, where cyber attacks become national crises? Only time and what's left on the shelves will tell.